Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel KTM Booster. Today we will be having our part 8 on time and work wages. Work wages will be given on the efficiency. Now suppose A completes the work in 15 days and B completes the work in 10 days. Okay. So if we consider the total work, that is 30, then efficiency of A will be 2 and efficiency of B will be 3. This will be what? The efficiency. Okay. Now efficiency, here we are having efficiency of B is higher. So the work wages, that is, let's say 100 rupees are there. Total work wages for A and B. So for B it will be, that is 3 divided by 2 plus 3, that is 5, multiplied by 100. Okay, so 520, that will be 60 rupees wage will be given to what? B. Okay, we will illustrate this concept by using this problem. Okay, now we are having the first question on the work wages. Okay, now here A completes the work in 10 days. So right here 10 days. B completes the work in 15 days with the help of C. Means what? A plus B plus C. With the help of C, they can do the work in 5 days. Isn't it? We don't know the work done by C in how many days. Okay. Now we will take the LCM. This is number of days. Okay. And here we will take efficiency. Here total work will be there. Okay. Now 10, 15, 5. We will take 30 as the total work. Okay. Now 10 3s are 30, 15 2s are 30 and 5 6s are 30. Isn't it? With the help of C, they can complete the work in 5 days. Okay. So we are having the 6 as a efficiency of A, B and C. We are having efficiency of A 3, B 2, and then the efficiency of C will be what? 1, that is 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 equal to what? 6. Okay. Now, so what will be the number of days required for C? That will be 30. So 30 into 1, that will be 30. Now here they have asked, they got total 20,000 rupees. Then we have to find out the share of A. Okay. So A's share equal to, yes, efficiency of A. What is the efficiency of A? That is 3 divided by efficiency of total A, B and C, that is 6, multiplied by 20,000 total wages. Okay. Now 3, 2. Okay. So 10,000 will be the wages for A. Okay. This will be the answer. Second question, A completes the work in 10 days. We'll write A completes the work in 10 days, B in 15 days. So B in 15 days and C in 20 days. C in 20 days. They got total 10,000 rupees as work wages. Okay. So first of all, to calculate the share of A, right? A's share we want to calculate over here. Isn't it? A's share. For that we required A's efficiency, right? And the total, after that we required what? The total efficiency for A, B and C. So let us consider the total work will be what? That is 60. What is 60? That is LCM of 10, 15 and 20. How to calculate the LCM? I have given a video. You can go in my channel and you can watch. So 10 6 are 30, 15 4s are 10 6 are 60, 15 4s are 60 and 23s are 60. Okay. This is what efficiency and this will be the days. Okay. Now A's share. What is the efficiency of A? That will be, we will calculate A's share here. Okay. What is the efficiency of A? That is 6 divided by, what is the total efficiency? That is 6 plus 4 plus 3 multiplied by total wages are there, that is 10,000. So 10,000. Okay. Now 6 upon 6 plus 4 13, 10 plus 3 13, multiplied by 10,000. This will be the work wages for A. Question number 3. 45 women get rupees 15,525 in 48 days. Right? So 45 women get 15,525 rupees in how many days? In 48 days. Now men's daily wage is twice of women. Means whatever the wage one woman get, it will be twice for the men, isn't it? So men's wages, so we can calculate. First, one woman 1 day wage equal to 15,525 divided by how many days? 48. And how many women are there? That is 45. So this will be one woman 1 day wage. Okay. So they have given that men's daily wage is twice of women. So number of men, how many men get rupees 5,750 in 16 days? Means we don't have the number of men, so we will consider let X men's are working. Okay, so we will be having the wages for men, that is how many wages are there for men? That is 5,750. Okay, now how many men are there? X. For how many days they have worked? That is 60, isn't it? One man 1 day wage is what? Twice of this. Okay, so 2 into 15,525 divided by what? 48 into 45, isn't it? Now we have to cancel this. Okay, 16 ones are 16 threes are, isn't it? 3 ones are 3 fives are 3 ones are. Okay, after that 3 ones are 3 sevens are, okay, and 3 fives, isn't it? Now okay, after that 0, 3 threes are and 3 fives are. Okay, after that we will cancel 9 ones are, again 9 ones are, again 1 is left, 9 ones are, 4 is left, 9 fives are. Okay, now X equal to what? 5,750. Okay, divided by this 115 multiplied by 2, isn't it? So 5 twos are, 5 eights are, 5 sevens are, and 5 2 fives are. Okay, after that we will be having 5 twos are and 5 threes are. Here 5 fives are, 3 5 sevens are. Okay, after that we are having 2 5 fives are. Okay, so 23 ones are, 23 twos are, 46. Okay, 1 is remaining, and 23 fives are. Okay, 5 1, that is what we can say, 5 3 5. Okay, and after that we are having 23 into 5. Yes, 1 1 5. So we will be having the number of days, number of men, that is 25. So this will be our answer. Okay, so for more videos subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.